In this video, I'm going to show you how to export data from Freshworks. Now, the first thing you have to do here, you want to go to the left-hand panel and click on Analytics over here. And when you are inside the Analytics tab at the very bottom left, you'll be able to see Settings. Click on this Settings button. And in here, you want to go to Data Export. And in here, you want to click on Create Export. Now, when you do this, it's going to allow you to create a new data export. You have to give it a name. You have to give it a module, so basically the module name. And then here you can give it a description if you want to. You can schedule if you want it to be daily, weekly, or monthly. You can schedule on when you want it to be, and then time zone as well. You can put on some filters, basic filters. You can receive it via API or email, so it's completely up to you over here. You can do whatever you want, and then you can also choose the fields to export, and here you can keep on adding them. You can put on different ticket fields, contact fields, and advanced survey fields, so it's up to you. You can just select whatever you want, for example, like that, and for example, like this over here, and whenever you are ready, you can just go ahead and click on the schedule button, and this is going to schedule your data exports just like that. So that's it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.